For our next activity, we're going to have a look at bullet points and numbering. So again, both located here in the home screen. We're looking at our bullet point options here and our numbering options here. So to do this, nice and simple, we've got bullet points. So I've got this list here of milk, bread, eggs, flour. And so all I do is I select them. And then the first option here is my bullet points. So if I click on them, it will automatically change them. Equally, if I want to do numbering, I will select all of them and I'll come here and select numbering. If for some case that your words are ordered in the following, you will need to space them out. So I place my cursor in front of the word and hit enter, and then place that again and hit enter, and then I can select my entire list. In this case here, you will notice with your bullet points, there's a little drop down option which allows you to choose different possible bullet points. So, if I'm saying that these things are the items that are being checked off, I might decide to put it like so. If we practice that again with numbering, is that we put in front of the S and hit enter, and then on the other side of the B, hit enter, and then the G for golf, hit enter. And if I select all of these and click down on my options for numbering, we'll notice that we'll get some slightly different options. So maybe not numbering as in 1, 2, and 3, but maybe we might use the alphabet instead. So using things like A, or our options are A, B, C, and D.